Fraud today operates like a well-funded startup. Syndicates buy stolen identities in bulk and use military-grade tools to mimic your best customers. The problem is, most security stacks validate data, not the source or the person behind it. Imagine this. A shoplifter gets caught, walks out, puts on a fake mustache, and walks right back in. Your security guard welcomes them as a brand new customer. Ridiculous, right? In the digital world, it happens all the time. You ban a fraudster, and seconds later, they're back. Same operator, same device. Just new accounts and fresh identifiers. This is exactly where Bureau Device Intelligence comes in. It answers one simple question. Is this a trustworthy user? Bureau captures deep hardware and software signals, so your device identity doesn't break over time, even when fraudsters factory reset or spoof signals. Bureau continuously evaluates every session in real time, not as a one-time check. It looks at over 200 risk signals across device, network, and behavior, and shows you exactly what triggered the risk. That's how you stop individual attempts. But here's what's changed. Fraud doesn't come one account at a time anymore. It comes in groups. And that's where Bureau's device graph comes in. It reveals hidden linkages between devices and accounts, so risk teams can instantly act on fraud rings, not just individual accounts. It all runs in the background, providing a seamless way to detect fraud without hurting the customer experience. Because at scale, trust isn't a one-time check. It's a decision you make, in real time, every time. Bureau Device Intelligence, built for modern fraud, proven at scale.